Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can add service list to your Wix website. This is going to be a quick and easy tutorial. Now first thing you need to do is you want to click on all sites in the top left, and then you want to select which site you want to add the service list to. So I'm going to go with this site. It's just an example. I'm going to select just I'm going to select this test store. Now I'm going to click on it. It's going to take you directly to the dashboard of your Wix website. Now after you are here, what you need to do is you want to click here on design site here in the top right. Now after that, it's going to take you directly to Wix editor. So you just need to give it a few seconds. Okay, so after you are in this page, you just need to click on the plus button in the top left, and then after that you want to search for bookings. Now what you need to do is you want to click on add to site. Okay, just add to site this. Now it says here adding Wix bookings. I just need to give it a few seconds. Alright, now after you are in this page, as you can see, we have already added the service list here, as you can see. Like, you can add different categories if you want. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on manage services. Of course, you can move the service list to anywhere you want in your website. You can always move it anywhere. You can also make it smaller if you want here. Very simple. Okay, so after that you want to click on manage services. So here in the booking services here, now you can either, for example, if you are doing group trainings, you can use the already made for you. Just need to click, you just need to edit it, make it better, make it your own. Or you can just start from scratch if you want. Now I'm going to go with online meeting, for example, and I'm going to click on edit. It's already made here. Also the image is already here, so I don't need to upload it. Now here the tagline, give a quick intro to your service. eBay dropshipping, for example. I teach people how to make money online, for example. Description, show, like, describe what you offer, why clients should book. So you can also click on generate AI description, and then it will generate that for you. So just click here what you do, like, just enter here what would you like customers to know, and then click on generate text. It will generate text for you here. Then click on use text, and as you can see, we are now using this text. Okay, so if you scroll down, you will also be able to see the duration. Is it 1 hour, 45 minutes? After that, here choose how clients pay for the service. They can pay per season, or with a plan, or per season, or with a plan. So you can choose. I'm going to go with a plan, or I'm going to go with per season. Now the custom price, the price description here, like, describe the price or how you charge for this service. Clients will see this on your site. Now I'm going to here the free price won't be displayed, fixed price here. Enter the amount here. I'm going to enter here amount online. Enter the price you want to charge. So I'm going to charge $50 for this, for example. I'm going to go with $50 or $59. After that, you can also change the location to your own location. If that's in person, you do services in person or online. I just need to add here the location. It's not very important, by the way. Now you can also add multiple images if you want here. Add the cover image or whatever. You can add as many as you want. Booking policy here. You can also change the policies. After you are done, click on save. And as you can see, we have successfully added the service list to our Wix website. Now it says here, start taking bookings online. Upgrade your site with business and e-commerce premium plan. Take online bookings for your services. Accept secure online payments. Connect your own domain. Now you can just upgrade. You can upgrade your account here by clicking on upgrade now. Now we have successfully added service list, as you can see here. Okay, this is our service. If someone clicks on it, they will be able to see what you can offer to them, and then they can book. So you can also click on here, this plus button, add elements, click on bookings, And here you can also change this. You can also add featured service if you want to feature a service in your website. Service list, here you can add this one or this one, depends on what template you want. Calendar, you can also add calendar. Next availability, weekly timetable, daily agenda, cart icon. You can add whatever you want here on your website. After that, you want to click on publish. If you have, by the way, any questions, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. Just let me know in the comments. Like I said, I try to reply to every single comment, okay? Now you want to click on view site, and that's it. So I hope this tutorial helped you. If you have any questions, like I said, let me know in the comments. Please drop a like, that would be highly appreciated. And see you in the next tutorial. Have a good day.